Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have made earning extra income through your home extremely easy. Unfortunately, it's not as simple as just listing your property online. Many short-term rental owners don't take important components like insurance into consideration, and they often pay heavily because of it.
The average homeowner in the United States files an insurance claim every 9 years. And so unfortunately, when consumers switch their properties over to an Airbnb or short-term rental property, insurance is sort of an afterthought. In the United States, insurance is mainly controlled by a domestic insurance market. Due to the popularity of Airbnb and VRBO, local insurance agents have access to what's called a home sharing endorsement. Unfortunately, it's very limited coverage. It only covers the property when it's rented on a short-term basis, and it can be very misleading to property owners as it's not comprehensive from a property and liability perspective.
Insurance companies are reluctant to enter into a space which is unknown, and so they're very, very traditional companies. And they have a homeowner's product, but they have a commercial product. And the vacation rental is in between. So it takes an innovative company to sit down with a company and design a product that is innovative and new to the industry.
What a lot of property owners don't realize is that when you put your listing on Airbnb and turn into a short-term rental, you're actually turning your property into a hotel business, and you're actually subject to hospitality laws. When you're looking at it from an insurance perspective, you need to focus on the building itself, the contents inside of it, but then also focus on liability, which would be bodily injury that the owner could be liable for. And then finally, this asset generates an income, so you need to protect that income as well. Proper insurance puts all three of these coverages together to offer a comprehensive product to vacation rental owners across the U.S.
Most property owners don't realize that running an Airbnb is essentially the same as owning a hotel. And just as hotels require business insurance, so do vacation rentals. Short-term rental properties are at a greater risk than normal dwellings. Proper insurance provides the coverage to protect them.
I think the number one thing people overlook is the importance of the contract itself. And it's a 95-page document that's very difficult to understand. We spend most of our time educating the customer on the coverages in the policy so that they understand what they're buying in their unique situation, that they have a business operating out of their home. Proper prides itself on having the most comprehensive policy in the marketplace. We try to make sure that any reasonable exposure is covered by our policy. We've added things, squatters and bed bugs and other unique coverage for this industry, and are trying to be the leading provider of insurance for the short-term rental market and constantly innovate and enhance our product. The short-term vacation rental industry is a technology industry, and we try to interact with people on the devices that they're used to operating on. We are proud of the fact that we can handle somebody's insurance the same day, which is highly unusual in our business. We have the authority to rate, bind, and issue policies the same day in our company. As the industry continues to evolve, we'll evolve with them.
Proper Insurance was founded to solve a problem. Due to the phenomenal growth of Airbnb and VRBO, vacation rental owners have traditionally only had three options for insurance. They could purchase homeowners insurance, they could purchase landlord insurance, or they could purchase commercial insurance. The truth is they needed components of all three. So what we did is we combined all three products into one comprehensive insurance solution that the vacation owner could purchase. So the product of insurance is a future claims experience, and that boils down to two things. One, does coverage exist? And two, does service come with it? Proper Insurance offers the most comprehensive vacation rental insurance product in the market. The single biggest exposure for a short-term rental owner is liability. At some point, someone will be injured at your property, and they can come back and claim you liable for their bodily injury. The question is, when you contact your insurance company, do you or do you not have coverage for that?
Proper insurance is radically different than homeowners insurance. The traditional homeowners marketplace is a retail agent who is just selling you a coverage, a policy, We have everything in-house. We created the policy, we underwrite the policies, we sell the policies, and then we provide the claim service. What's unique about Proper is we're a nationwide company. We operate in all 50 states, and we can provide a solution to people, be that they're in forest fire areas or hurricane-prone areas or the ice storms in the Northeast. We can handle it. But the most important thing we have is the claims experience. We have our in-house claims team, so when you have a claim, you're going to call the same firm that sold you the policy, and the claim is going to be handled in-house.
Don't fly under the radar when it comes to insurance. A comprehensive insurance policy through Proper Insurance is essential to ensuring your property is appropriately covered. Get a quote today and never wonder if you're covered again. Know you are with Proper Insurance.